This chocolate cheesecake looks like it came from a bakery. But here's the twist, it was never baked. Rich, creamy, and completely no-bake, this is the easiest chocolate cheesecake you'll ever make. You only need a few simple ingredients to make this ultra-creamy dessert. Start by crushing chocolate cookies into fine crumbs. Mix the crumbs with melted butter until they feel like wet sand. Press firmly into the pan to create a solid base. Chill the crust while we prepare the filling. Beat cream cheese until completely smooth and lump-free. Slowly add sweetened condensed milk for a silky texture. Add cocoa powder and melted chocolate for deep chocolate flavor. Add vanilla, salt, and a touch of lemon juice to balance the flavor. Pour the filling into the crust and smooth the top, then chill for at least 6 hours. Now slice, serve, and enjoy pure chocolate perfection. For the full recipe, visit nobakedessertslab.com or check the pinned comment.